Hey, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of our culinary adventures. Today, I'm taking you on a delicious journey through Spain's vibrant streets, where the aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air, and the energy is simply contagious. We're about to uncover the top 5 street foods you absolutely must try when you visit. These are the dishes that locals swear by and tourists rave about. Ready? Let's dive in and tantalize those taste buds. First up, we have churros con chocolate. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly fried dough, crispy on the outside, soft and doughy on the inside. These golden sticks of heaven are a breakfast staple in Spain. Dip these golden beauties into thick, rich Spanish hot chocolate, and you've got the perfect start to your day. The combination of the crunchy churros and the velvety chocolate is simply irresistible. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. It's a sweet treat that will leave you craving for more. Next, let's talk about bocadillo de calamares. This is a sandwich that'll blow your mind. It's a simple yet incredibly flavorful dish that showcases the best of Spanish street food. Picture this: tender, crispy fried calamari rings tucked inside a fresh baguette, sometimes drizzled with a bit of lemon or aioli. The contrast of textures and flavors is what makes this sandwich so special. It's a must-try, especially in Madrid. You'll find it in many street food stalls, and it's perfect for a quick and satisfying meal on the go. Moving along, we can't forget about the iconic patatas bravas. These are not your average fries. They are a beloved Spanish tapa that you'll find in almost every bar and restaurant. Picture chunky potato cubes, fried to perfection, then topped with a spicy and tangy tomato sauce, and sometimes a garlicky aioli. The combination of the crispy potatoes and the bold sauces is a match made in heaven. Perfect for sharing, though you might want to keep them all to yourself. They are the ultimate comfort food and a great way to start any meal. Fourth on the list is the famous seafood paella. Originating from the coastal region of Valencia, this dish is a true representation of Spanish culinary artistry. It's a vibrant and flavorful rice dish that's packed with a variety of seafood. The key ingredients include fresh prawns, mussels, clams, and sometimes squid, all cooked together with short-grain rice, saffron, and a medley of vegetables. The saffron gives the rice its beautiful golden color and a unique aromatic flavor. The preparation involves cooking the seafood and rice in a large, shallow pan, allowing the flavors to meld together beautifully. The broth is added gradually, ensuring the rice absorbs all the rich flavors. One of the highlights of a well-made paella is the socarrat, the crispy bottom layer of rice that forms as it cooks. It adds a delightful texture and an extra burst of flavor to the dish. Seafood paella is often enjoyed at street markets and festivals, bringing people together to share in its deliciousness. It's a dish that embodies the spirit of Spanish culture and communal dining. And finally, we have the mouth-watering pincho maruno. These skewers of marinated pork or chicken are grilled to juicy perfection. The marinade is what sets them apart, infusing the meat with a burst of flavors. The spices used draw from North African influences, giving them a unique and tantalizing flavor. Each bite is a delightful mix of smoky, spicy, and savory notes. You'll find these at street markets and festivals, and every bite is a burst of smoky, spicy goodness. They are a crowd favorite and a must-try for any meat lover. There you have it, the top 5 street foods you can't miss in Spain. Each of these dishes offers a unique taste of Spanish culture and culinary excellence. Whether you're a fan of sweet treats or savory snacks, Spain's street food scene has something for everyone. It's a culinary adventure that you won't want to miss. To recap, we explored the delightful churros con chocolate, the flavorful bocadillo de calamares, the iconic patatas bravas, the vibrant seafood paella, and the mouth-watering pincho maruno. These dishes are a true testament to Spain's rich culinary heritage and are a must-try for any food enthusiast. So, pack your bags and head to Spain to experience these incredible street foods for yourself. Your taste buds will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures. We have plenty more delicious destinations to explore together. Thanks for watching, and hasta luego. See you in the next episode.